In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Amazon account number. Now, before we jump in, there's an important detail you need to know. Amazon doesn't actually give you a traditional account number the way a bank or a utility company might. Instead, your Amazon identity is tied to three main things: your email address, your phone number, and your login details. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to view those details and how to update them if something has changed. First, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account in a web browser. This works best on a laptop or desktop, but you can also do it in a browser on your phone if you switch to the desktop site. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. You should see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over that area. Don't click yet, just hold your mouse on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, click on Account. You'll now be taken to your main account page. Here, Amazon shows different sections in tiles or boxes. Look for the one labeled Login and Security. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the Login and Security section, you'll see your key identity details: your name, your email address, and your primary mobile number. These are effectively the pieces of information that function like an account identifier for Amazon. This is where you confirm which email and phone number are linked to your account. If you need to update any of these details, you can do that right from this page. On the right side of each item, you'll see an Edit button. For example, let's say you want to change the name on your account. Click Edit next to your name. The page will reload and show a field where you can enter your new name. Type in the updated name, then click Save Changes. After you save, the page will reload and bring you back to the main Login and Security screen. You should now see your updated information reflected there. You can repeat the same process for your email or mobile number if those ever need to be changed. And that's it. By checking your login and security settings, you've effectively found the key details that Amazon uses to identify your account, and you now know how to view and manage them whenever you need.